Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, y'all, welcome back, y'all, welcome back. Happy New Year. I miss y'all so much. I know it's been a minute since I did a product review, unboxing. Just basically sat down and talked to y'all in a minute. In today's video, I'm going to come to y'all with a product. I know it's this flu season, the cold season, people hacking, people coughing. Well, today, baby, I got a product to introduce to you all. This is brought to you by Handy Glove. So if you want to know what Handy Glove is, you know what you got to do. You got to continue watching.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow.
So y'all, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. As I stated in the intro, I'm coming to y'all today. And if I'm doing like this, then it's something real. I'm coming to y'all today with a product review and an unboxing video from a company called Handy Glove. And before we jump into this video, go ahead and subscribe, turn on them post notifications so you can join the family. Okay? So... So, y'all, I had a company reach out to me. The company's name is the Handy Company. And if y'all know me, my close friends know me, I am a germaphobe. I can't stand touching stuff. I can't stand looking at nasty stuff. So when this company reached out to me and said, Miss Nicole, we want you to try our product, do an unboxing video. I said, why, yes, I will, because baby, I can't stand nastiness. So it comes in this good packaging, and I know it's kind of bright, y'all, but as you can see, Handy Glove logo. It came in this bubble wrap container, and y'all, I've had it for a minute, and they've been super patient with me because, as y'all know, since I came back from my cruise and all these trips I have been sick.com, .org, .net, .edu, and I just wasn't up to par with doing any type of unboxing video, doing a video, period, if I'm not up to my 100% self, okay? So, baby, it starts off by saying, I love the presentation of it all. Ready to dig in? Handy Glove anti-germ gloves. So in the pouch you will get, I think this might be like a sample that they might send out, but I was gifted with 24 pair, okay? 24 pairs. So it basically states, are you ready to handle the messy things in life? With Handy Glove you can, okay? 100% composable and biodegradable. Let me say that again. 100% composable and biodegradable. They are latex free, convenient for you on the go lifestyle. You're on the go lifestyle. They are travel friendly. Now, this is when you get a free sample. It says enjoy your free sample and share your experience with hashtag Handy Glove. So they do have a Facebook page and they do have a Instagram page, and I will link that in the description box. If you want to check out their website, the company is the Handy Company, www.thehandycompany.com. So first off, I like when they send you a sample. It's on here, is adhered to the postcard, and then it's so cute. But baby, they sent me not one sample. Baby, I got 24. What I like about this company is they are eco-friendly, biodegradable. They all about making sure it is recyclable and things like that. I'm going to insert an actual clip of their website, and then we're going to go over that now. I know y'all like, Nicole, how much they cost? As you can see, the single pack is $1. The solo bag, which is the one I have, is $15. You can get 3 of the travel bags for $42, and then the family plan, which is 5 bags for $65. Oh, It says clean hands anytime, anywhere. With Handy Glove anti-germ gloves, you're on your way to be a quicker, easier, cleaner way to handle the messy things in life. Handy Glove anti-germ gloves are 100% compostable and biodegradable, latex and powder-free. One size fits most. Now, y'all, I got big, long fingers, so we're going to try these gloves on and see if it do what it do. Now, as far as the cooking part, if you don't have any like disposable, like those little meal prep gloves on hand, get your handy gloves out. Get your handy gloves out. Also, if you go somewhere, like a lot of people popping up doing like seafood boils and stuff like that. If you're going somewhere eating ribs, the food gonna be messy. Get out your handy gloves. They are for cleaning and disposing trash. So, you know, I have to wheel the trash can out there when the trash man coming. I don't be wanting to touch the trash can. Well, now you don't have to touch the trash can. You get your handy gloves out and make it do what it do. For pet care and cleanup. So when you take your dog out and he walking doing the pooty tang hoo, which I got my little dog right here, and she want to poo poo in somebody's yard, I ain't got to have no poo bag. What you can do, you can't have your poo bag, but what you can do is you can put your hand glove on, pick up the poo, fold it up in the glove, drop it in the poo bag. Okay? I'm telling you, handy gloves got you covered. Over there, y'all can see how many uses this will have for you for gardening, planting, and carrying various items. Now, y'all saw I got my nails done. And I'm going to try out some of these today at Instacart because I don't really like, when I deal with Instacart, I kind of got to peel labels off and I be touching stuff. Well, I want my nails to look good because I'm a naily type of girl. So, I'm going to put those on today for beauty, hairdressing, such as dyeing. So, if you're a beautician or you're doing something and you don't want the dye and the ink to get on your hands, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Get you some handy gloves and thank me later for diaper changing and handling dirty items. But when your baby have a blowout, pooty tang, hoop, poop, 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 poop. Then you get your handy gloves out when you're changing your baby if you're in public. And you gotta change your baby, go to the changing station, put your handy gloves on. And yes, you can still wash your hands, but put your handy gloves on and thank me later. And then it says for waxing and painting. So if you got a DIY project, you know what I'm saying, you want to make sure your hands don't get messed up, then you put hand gloves on when you're painting, doing your crafts. And my all-time favorite, last thing it lists on here, as you can see, it has various uses. When you go to a gas station, and you touch the nastiest gas pump, you know people don't wash their hands. You know people don't wash their hands. So you put on your handy glove and you gonna pump some gas or whatever. And let's keep the spread of germs to a minimum. So I know I've done enough talking. I got a couple of more things to tell you. Keep out reach of children. Do not store in a place subject to direct sunlight or temperature humidity. Now this product is disposable. Stop use immediately and consult a doctor if irritation occurs. Do not use in water, oils, or other fluids. So you don't wash your hands with these, okay? They're not hand washing gloves. Do not use handling medicines, solvents, and oils. Do not touch hot items. Do not let the product touch hot items. Do not let the product touch sharp or pointed objects. Do not use for electrical work. Keep away from fire and other sources of heat. Do not use this product for purposes other than the original intended purpose. To avoid risk of choking and suffocation, keep gloves and plastics away from babies and children. So this is created and dispersed or distributed by the Handy Company Inc. They're in Newport Beach, California. And yeah, so again, thehandycompany.com. So enough of that talking that I've done. I know y'all want to see the product. So let's get into it. Yes, so you enjoy your free sample. Be sure to tag us on Instagram at The Handy Company Official and on Facebook, The Handy Company. So I truly like this, and I know my light is bright, y'all, but I like this. It's so cute. As you can see, oh, look at that. Y'all look at that. They big, so even somebody with the biggest hands could wear them. I was a little afraid they weren't gonna work with my nails. Look at that, y'all. Perfect. Because, baby, I don't want to mess up my nails. I'm a naily girl. Oh, my goodness, the Handy Company. Thank y'all for choosing me to try your product. Follow them on Instagram and Facebook to get your free sample. They are not expensive at all. I'm going to insert a clip of the prices and things like that. But thank you, Handy Company, for sending me this whole bag of these. Like, it says individually wrapped gloves, perfect for purses, bags, pockets, and lunch boxes. I am so excited about these, y'all, because I don't like touching stuff. I think touching stuff is nasty. And look how easy it slides off. And then you just dispose of it when you're done. But look at that, y'all. Big enough for, it says one size fits most. But as y'all can see, it'll fit everybody. Make sure you check them out. They are very affordable. Perfect for the mother on the go. Anybody that's germaphobe like me. And I know y'all like, girl, your light is bright. Oh my goodness. So again, I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Subscribe if you have not. Thank you, Handy Company, for sponsoring this video and for picking your girl to try it out. Okay? But I just thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I will see y'all in my next video.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow.